Working with climate weather or oceanographic research data in NC4 format. NetCDF-4 is the standard for sharing multidimensional scientific data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these NetCDF-4 scientific data files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the NC4 file. I'll reveal it at the end. An NC4 file is a data file stored in the NetCDF-4 Network Common Data Format, widely used in climatology, meteorology, and oceanography. Users, typically scientists and researchers, interact with these files to analyze large multidimensional datasets, such as satellite imagery or climate model outputs. The NC4 format is built on the HDF5, Hierarchical Data Format 5, binary standard, providing significant advantages over older NetCDF versions. It supports complex data structures, per-variable compression, and parallel I/O, making it highly efficient for storing and accessing massive arrays of scientific data. In most cases, NC4 files work best with NetCDF tools, Panoply created by Unidata, UKR, NASA. Windows displays only generic icons, indicating a need for specialized software. Windows lacks the ability to interpret domain-specific data, so specialized applications are necessary. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's signature. Right-click the NC4 file and click Open with. Test NetCDF tools. Panoply if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If your NC4 file will not open, do not worry. We know the NC4 format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, opening in Panoply. Download Panoply, a free NetCDF viewer from NASA GIS at gss.nasa.gov.tools, Panoply. Launch Panoply and use File then Open to load the NC4 file. The application displays available variables and dimensions, enabling visualization through 2D plots maps and time series charts with extensive customization for scientific data presentation. Next, using Python with xarray. Install Python with xarray and NetCDF-4 libraries. Via pip, install xarray NetCDF-4. Open NC4 files with ds equals xarray. Open dataset file name, providing labeled multi-dimensional arrays. Xarray integrates with pandas, matplotlib, and dask for sophisticated analysis visualization and parallel processing of large scientific datasets common in climate research. Finally, command line tools. Use NCO NetCDF operators or CDO climate data operators command line tools for batch processing NC4 files. Commands like ncdump display file contents, ncks extracts variables, and ncrcat concatenates files across time dimensions. These tools enable scripted workflows essential for processing large collections of scientific data files efficiently. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.